Have you been looking for a crafted yet functional infill in a vibrant community? Hi, I'm Matthew Keke with Infill Hub Group. Let me showcase just that home. If you're just grabbing a coffee or looking for local gems, or if you want to zip out to the mountains, Parkdale has become Calgary's one of the most sought after communities. Welcome to 3648 8th Avenue Northwest. It's not just a listing, it's a lifestyle. This is a brand new 2-story infill built by Alberta Renaissance Homes. This main floor features an open concept design with wide plank hardwood floors throughout, a large fireplace, and a completely customized kitchen. With stainless steel appliances and a European stone countertop, this kitchen is complete. What I love about this home is its location. You have a beautiful view west overlooking Parkdale and nobody behind you in the backyard. Upstairs, you've got these 2 beautiful bedrooms, the same hardwood floors, tons of natural light, a full bathroom, and a massive laundry room. But before I show you those, let's check out this master bedroom. When you enter the master bedroom, you are greeted with a coffee bar, a huge room for a king-size bed, and a stunning walk-in closet with custom built-ins. And of course, your getaway for the evening, a spa carrying all the same beautiful stonework. You have a west-facing deck to enjoy late nights or early morning coffees of Parkdale. Now check out this triple garage and huge driveway. With everything this home has to offer, how can you see yourself not living here? Right by the river, close to Lazy Loaf Cafe, and minutes from downtown in a beautiful community. My name is Matthew Keke with Infill Hub Group. If you're looking for more details on this property, call, text, or email. I'd be happy to help.